I'm going to show how to install carpet trim, also known as a transfer plate or transition trim, on concrete, where carpet meets the concrete. This will be in a doorway. I first took some snips and cut the transition plate perfect to fit on the hinge side of the door jamb, as you can see. That's where the carpet meets the concrete. So here's how you place it. As you can see, there is a bend in this plate. This edge has been bent down. That is the edge that's going to grab the carpet. So I put this on the carpet. Just like that. And the wide flat plane goes on the concrete. I know I'm perfect when I look through the holes and I see concrete. I will move it back and forth until I'm just off of the carpet and I view the concrete through the holes. I will now take a permanent marker and mark the concrete through each hole on the transition plate. These marks are where I'm going to drill my holes that will receive the anchors. I am using a hammer drill with a concrete bit. As you can see, I've marked this bit with tape. This is the depth that I need to make the hole. I know when to stop drilling when I hit the tape. This depth is a little bit longer than the screw that I'm going to use on my anchors. Now I will clean the holes out using a shop vac. I will now simply take the anchor and place them in each hole and tap them in using a hammer. I can now take my transition trim and line the holes up with the anchors. And now I simply take the screw, insert it into the anchor through the trim hole, and take a screwdriver and tighten it all the way down. The carpet transition trim is now complete.